How to replace your National Bank of Canada's credit card. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can replace your National Bank of Canada's credit card. So to do that, first of all, open up the application on your mobile device and then simply log into your account. Now once you've logged in, your homepage will somewhat look like this, where you will see the list of all of your credit cards. Now simply tap on the one which you'd like to replace, and then you can see the option lock or replace my card. Simply tap on it. Now it will basically provide you two different options. You can either lock your card if it is not locked yet, or if you want, you can also replace your card. So since we are here to replace our credit card, we'll tap on the option replace my card and then tap on continue. Now scroll down and then tap on the option replace. And there you have it. This card has been cancelled and you will receive your new card within 7 business days. So that is basically how you replace your credit card and get a new one on National Bank of Canada. That was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.